am so excited to show you my new UniWig. I have never tried UniWig before. This is the first time. This is the Airy Elegance. This is 6.5 by 7 circumference. It's got 4 clips and it also comes with a halo wire that you can attach. I have not tried to put it on with the halo wire, but I'm going to attempt to do that now. We're going to go ahead and put my hair up in a clip. I feel like that's the easiest way to do this, and see if I've gotten it tightened. But this is a lace up front, and anywhere through here you can part this. I have it parted close to my normal part. I did flat iron it a little bit to make it a little more straight. It matches really well. I've got this one in the Espresso brown, and it's 14 inches long. It's about the length of my hair. I just want to show you the halo wire. You just attach it right here and see you're able to tighten it or loosen it to adjust it to your actual size of your head. I feel like I've got it pretty close to where it needs to be for mine, so I'm going to go ahead and try to put it on. And then I'm going to take my clippy out, flip this over, and then I'm going to be able to tighten that up a little more. But we can use the clips, and I'm going to part it right there. I'm going to lay it right there on the front. Some people like to pull some of their natural hair out. Mine's very thin up front, and you see how it looks longer on one side? That's because I don't have it parted exactly where I want to yet, but we're going to work on that. I'm going to part it where I need it, but let me go ahead and brush through this. Make sure you don't have any, you know how you could have some wild hair stuck in that wire back there? You don't want that. You definitely don't want that. You want it to look very natural. I love how this is already cut on this. It's giving you layers, and that's so nice. You can curl this, you can flat iron it, you can do whatever you want with it. You can put it up in a ponytail if you'd like, and you're gonna have little wispies. It's so nice. I love how the Airy Elegance lays super flat to your head. You're going to forget that this is on your head because it is lightweight, low density. Now, if you have excessive hair loss, you might need a larger, more density hair topper, or you might just prefer to have a thicker hair topper. But I really like this one, and it's plenty enough that I can put it up in a clippy, and it looks like I have a ton of hair. I can wear it up in a ponytail. I'm gonna wear it under hats. I'm going to curl it. I'm going to flat iron it. It is just a very nice hair topper. Super high quality human hair. I absolutely love it. I am going to get this wet, and I'm going to make the part exactly the way I want it, so it will lay perfectly on my hair and it'll be completely even. But I love it, and I hope if you get one, you love it too.